Here's Hello Kitty showing how her Super Cub is made, and it's everything. If you've been itching to see more of the special, limited edition Hello Kitty Honda Super Cub, then we've got extremely welcome news for you today. First, the bad news: the order window is now closed for this bike in Japan. But now the good news: Hello Kitty herself takes us inside the factory for a little behind-the-scenes sneak peek at how the Hello Kitty Super Cubs are made. From careful application of the decals, to getting the molded side covers just right, to reviewing the special little details, like the badge on the front, the graphics on the dash and key, and more, we get up close to all of it with Kitty's help. We are sure it has to be even more joyful if you were one of the lucky folks who placed a pre-order for the limited edition bikes before the window closed. But even if you're left on the outside with a wistful, could we been feeling deep in your heart, it's still a nice little hit of joy in a dark and cold season, you know? Of course, with a 50th anniversary event like this, my thoughts naturally wandered to whether there's some appropriate merch to celebrate the occasion. I mean, it seems like a no-brainer, right? As it turns out, there is. It's mostly stickers from what I can see, but I'm hoping some of these designs might also make it onto more durable goods, like t-shirts and tote bags and such. They're too cute not to want to keep them around, you know? There's even a set of stickers featuring some of Kitty's fellow Sanrio friends, all having customized their own Super Cubs to fit their individual cute aesthetics. My Melody and Kuromi both appear to have their ears poking out of their helmets, which probably isn't the safest way to ride. So does Kitty, for that matter. Only Pom Pom Purin and Cinnamoroll have their ears under their helmets. Now that we are thinking this through a bit more, your ears would probably get hurt in the event of a crash either way. These stickers, though, do they in some way indicate that Honda might consider doing other Sanrio-themed Super Cubs if the Hello Kitty is popular enough? We definitely wouldn't say no to a Kuromi Super Cub.